Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Um, Gonna start the rollback, and then unload Clifford. Guys coming to get Mustang, so we have to get that truck off the rollback, get the rollback moved, so we can get to the Mustang, and then we have to go get another truck. So this truck I picked up a while ago, and I forgot to record it, but we have to go get it from the warehouse, bring it here, because I need the room in the warehouse so I can put the Corvette in. So that truck doesn't need to be in there. The Corvette I'd rather have in there, so time to move stuff around. I do want to take the dually over to the warehouse, but that's not going to happen right now. Corvette will go over first. I have to do the exhaust on the rollback this week, which is going to be a video. So that's going to be it won't, the dually's not going to be over there till after that, so, but because I need to be able to put the rollback in the warehouse to work on it. So let's get to work, guys. on the dash. Yeah, it's an idiot. Clifford, my 1974 International 1310. Has a 345 V8 and a 4-speed with creeper first. Does run. Let me pop the hood and I'll show you guys the engine at least. Oh shit. Alright, I know it's not the prettiest sight in the world, but There's 345. It's greasy as hell. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. Here, there we go. Right. See what I mean? Pretty damn dirty. And the fender has a little bit of rust. And then this side, you can, I don't have to show you, let's point to that one. But frame is solid on this. Engine runs, you guys heard that earlier. I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good for what it is. Interior is a mess. The flatbed is trash. But there's the Jeep, and there's Cody. But Cal and the cab. That's what I mean by fenders, and the fenders on blue one are good. So alright guys, we picked up the other International, bought off the same guy. This one I had over at the warehouse. My dumbass forgot to bring the camera with, so I'm sorry. But we got it loaded at the house. I had to get it out of there so I could put this truck in and make sure I had space so I can do the exhaust on it. As you saw earlier, the exhaust fell off, so the new exhaust has already been ordered. It should be here soon. We're going to get this fixed up. This one is going to be parts. It has good fenders, whereas my fenders on the red one are bad. That's pretty much all I can end up using off this. But I'm going to be selling all of the rest, but I just wanted good fenders. As you can see, Mustang's gone. Oh, you can't see, the camera's facing the wrong way. Okay. You saw earlier in the video the Mustang left. I don't know if you guys will be seeing this video the same day I'm recording it, or if you'll see it tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching. It means a hell of a lot to me. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and just thank you again, guys. It means the world. It really does.